So good morning. So it's mathematics times again, and today our goals are: first, we need to define multiplication. Second, we should identify the concepts of multiplication. Third, state the rules in multiplying 2 to 4 digit number by a 1 to 2 digit multiplier, and multiply whole numbers correctly. So our topic for today is all about multiplication of whole numbers. Let's define first what a multiplication is. So multiplication is the process of multiplying numbers. During your grade 3, you tell that multiplication is repeated addition. Let's go to the parts of a multiplication sentence. So we have the multiplicand, the number to be multiplied, the number that multiplies the multiplicand, which is called multiplier. By the way, multiplicand and multiplier are called factors, the numbers to be multiplied. And the answer in multiplication is called product. And of course, let's not forget the symbol used in multiplication, that is times. Multiplication sentence can also be written vertically. Say, for example, this multiplication sentence, 342 times 2 is equal to 684. 342 is what we call the multiplicand. 2 is the multiplier. And we said that multiplicand and multiplier is also, or they are also called factors. And the symbol used in multiplication, times. And the answer in multiplication, that is the product. Now we go now to the steps in multiplying a 2 to 4 digit number by a 1 digit multiplier. First step, multiply starting from the ones digit of the multiplicand, then followed by the tens digit, the hundreds digit, and so on. And then, second, regroup each partial product when needed. Next, so let's have an examples here. Number 1, 456 multiplied by 2 is equal to 912. Now, this is how to multiply. So, 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. So, write 2 here and then regroup 1. Place it above the digit in the tens place of the multiplicand. After which, we multiply again, or we add the number that you regroup, which is 1 to the partial product. So 10 plus 1, write 1, regroup 1 to the hundreds place of the multiplicand. And then, to get, let's multiply 4 times 2, that is 8. And we add the number that we regroup, that is 1. So we add 1. And then we add 1 to the partial product. So it becomes 8 plus 1, that is equal to 9. So let's write it on the product. Next example is 7,856 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 31,424. You read the steps that I wrote here, and then later, let's have an actual example. So, you study the examples here. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 examples. So, you analyze it and study. Now, let's go here. Let's multiply 54 times 6. So, we go to the ones first. 4 times 6, how many? 4 times 6? Okay, that's 24. 24. So, anong maiiwan sa product? It's 4. So, let's regroup 2. Saan kilalagay yung 2? Okay, above the tens digit on the multiplicand. So, nandoon na. And then, 5 times 6. How many? Okay, 30. So, 30. And then, we add the number that we regroup, that is 2. So 30 plus 2, that is 32. Okay, susulat ko na yung buong 32 since wala namang number na dun sa may hundreds. So what is our answer? That is 324. Very good. We proceed with the other example. Okay, 6 times 5. 30. Very good. Okay. Lalagay yung 0. Saan ko lalagay yung 3? Correct. Galing nyo talaga. Okay, sa taas ng 0. And then, we multiply, again, 5 times 0. And then, we add yung kinary natin. Let's add. So, 5 times 0 is how many? Okay, 0. Take note that any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. And then, we add 3, so that's still 3. May i-regroup ba tayo na number? Wala. Okay, therefore, let's proceed as in multiplying the last digit on the hundreds place. So, 7 times 5, that is 35. So, susulat ko yung 35 since wala nang number sa may thousands. Now, we said that in writing the standard form of the number, let's separate the periods by using a comma or a space. Since wala nang space dito, I'll just write here the comma. There, to separate the thousands period and the units period. Okay, very good. Are you with me? Okay, so let's proceed with number 3 example. 6 times 3, that is 18. Lalagay ko yung 8, ilalagay ko yung 1 sa taas ng 7. Okay. We proceed. 3 times 7 plus 1. Yung kinary natin. Ilan? Okay, that is 22. Yung 2 lalagay ko dito. Pasensya na. And then, let's regroup the other 2 here. Kasi 22 yung sagot. Okay, now, we proceed with the third to the hundreds. Okay, 3 times 8, how many? 24. Perfect. Okay, and then plus 2, that is 26. Yan, 26. And then, we carry yung 2 sa may thousands. Okay, 3 times 9, how many? Perfect. It's 27 plus 2, that is 29. Okay, where will I place the comma? Okay, so in between the thousands and the hundreds, so that is here. Okay, it's 29,628. For any questions, you can text me or call me, okay? You can find more examples in your book on pages 25 to 26. If you're done, you can answer your activity number 1 in your book. Or if you have questions or clarifications, call or send me message or messages. Answer classwork numbers 12 to 20 only on pages 29 to 30. It's important for you to memorize the multiplication facts so you can answer the activities easily. Make it a habit to recite it without looking at your copy. Take note before you start the lesson. So here is your multiplication table. So you can download it if you like or memorize it better.